Hello friends, I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to teach you how to rank your channel with the help of TubeBuddy. It is the real buddy of YouTube. With the help of this extension, you can find better tags for your channel. Just add this extension to your Chrome browser and you can see other tags. You can copy them and paste them in tags portion. Go to the Chrome browser and search for TubeBuddy. Here, you will click to the TubeBuddy link. This page will open. There is this tab Add to Chrome. You will click on it and then it will start showing you downloading options. Congrats! TubeBuddy has been added. It will then start showing you to create an account. You can just click on the terms and conditions and you can sign in with your Google account. Here we go. Now open YouTube and check if it is working for you. You can check this sign, TubeBuddy sign in required. Just click here and sign in with YouTube. Now this portion says TubeBuddy wants to access your Google account. That's totally fine because they are the one who will be showing a lot of features to grow your channel. So somehow we will have to give them the access. For example, if we want to add popular tags in our cooking videos, so just type cooking in the search bar. Click on any popular video. In the right hand side, you will see the video analytics. In the video analytics, here is the summary of this video and of this channel. You can check SEO also of this video. There is a lot of text option available with the ranking. It will start showing you SEO score here, which is 100%. And channel views are 95.5 million. Wow. So this is the best video to take tags from because this is ranking video. Now you will see tags here. Here are the tags and all tags are highly ranked. If you will see one there, once you will search for chicken biryani, this video will come up on the first line. You can simply copy these tags and apply them to your video. Now you will see this channel's performance and its keywords. You can actually learn a lot with this extension. You will know how other channels are doing. You will know their views for the last 30 days, subscriptions, a lot of things. You can learn and make your channel the same way so that it can grow nicely. You can also copy these keywords and paste them on your cooking channel. Here it is also showing the comparison between other channel analytics and my channel analytics. Red box is showing her performance in last 30 days and blue is showing mine in last 30 days. Mine is showing very less because this is a test video made for your convenience only. Best thing is, you can find any videos tag with the help of this extension and you will be free from the pain of thinking suitable tags for your video. For example, I vlogged in Lahore and I want to add tags in this video, so I just go to YouTube search bar and typed vlogged in Lahore and it showed me several options. Open the video with this title which views are in abundance and copy its tags and voila. You can see this video has sufficient views and this can be used for copying tags. Just copy tags and paste them in your video's text portion, that's it. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.